In the past, Alexandra Palace has had a very checkered history of closure, of lack of investment. They soon realised it was an impossible job to keep a huge 7-acre palace open 52 weeks of the year. Now, the big events they used to do were the bank holidays, and then they would have an entrance fee to the park, and then you would see a whole array of entertainments, from music through to fireworks in the evening, and of course a programme in the theatre. And typically a programme in the theatre, you would see quite a mixture of things. They would start early afternoon and go through to late at night, so you might go and see a farce, a dramatic production, a light opera. Because of the financial problems of the palace, of trying to run this huge pleasure palace up on a hill in North London, the palace suffered a number of closures, and then a long closure between about 1888 and 1897-8. So it was taken over by the local authorities in 1900. They tried to bring back the traditional theatrical fare, particularly the pantomimes. That failed. It closed for the First World War because it was requisitioned by the government. It was eventually handed back. There was a little bit of reparations money paid, and most of it went on the theatre, it has to be said. The ceiling and the mouldings and so on will date from that period. You get a series of kind of operatic companies, variety shows, but it was in the wrong place at the wrong time, and again the theatre failed pretty much after a couple of years. It's easy to get to the palace by train or bus or car. It has a big audience surrounding, and so it probably has the better prospects now of succeeding as the people's palace of entertainment it was always meant to be than at any time in its history.